بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حبايبي طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الإعدادي، كل سنة وانتم طيبين. النهاردة وصلنا للفاينل ريفيجن. معاكم مستر حسين شريف، مراجعة المادة العلمية الدكتورة دعاء عبد العظيم. النهاردة بنحل تيست 1 وتيست 2 من كتاب البيرفورمانسز اند اسسمنتس. اوكي. Test 1, page number 60, question number 1. Letter A, complete the following. Number 1, must metal carbonates decompose to space and space? Must metal carbonates decompose to metal oxides and carbon dioxide? Number 2, electrical resistance is measured in units of space, while current intensity is measured in units of space. Electrical resistance is measured in units of ohm, okay, ohm equivalent volt per ampere, while current intensity is measured in units of ampere. Ampere is equivalent to coulomb per second. Okay. Question number 3. When the amount of iodine in the diet decreases, the secretion of the space hormone from the space gland decreases. When the amount of iodine in the diet decreases, the secretion of the thyroxine hormone from the thyroid gland decreases. Question number 4. The trait that appears in all individuals of the first generation, according to Mendel's law, is the dominant trait, while the trait that disappear in all individuals of the first generation is recessive trait. Letter B, write the scientific term that each of the following phrases refers to. Number 1, a chemical message that controls and regulates the activities and functions of most of the body's organs. A chemical message that controls and regulates the activities and functions of most of the body's organs. Hormone. Question number 2, the change in the concentration of reactants and products at a unit time. The change in the concentration of reactants and products at a unit time, speed of chemical reaction. Question number 3, the opposition that the electric current faces during its passage through conductors. The opposition that the electric current faces during its passage through conductors. Electric resistance. Question number 4, the genetic map of the genes found in human chromosomes. The genetic map of the genes found in human chromosomes, the human genome. Letter C, in the opposite figure, what is the name of the gland indicated by the arrow? What is the name of the gland indicated by the arrow? The thyroid gland. Another question, mention the hormones secreted by this gland. Mention the hormones secreted by this gland. 2 hormones. Number 1, thyroxine hormone, which plays a main role in food assimilation process in the body, where it liberates the energy necessary for the human body from food. Number two, calcitonin hormone, which controls the levels of calcium in blood. Calcitonin hormone, which controls the levels of calcium in blood. Which number two, letter A, correct the underlined word. Number one, ionic compounds react slower than covalent compounds. Ionic compounds react faster than covalent compounds. Which number two, the unit of measurement for electromotive force is the coulomb. The unit of measurement of electromotive force is the volt. Which number three, the gamete ratio T capital R capital in a P plant with the genotype T capital T small R capital R small is 75%. تمام؟ طبعا لما نيجي نجيب الجاميتس دي جينوتايب ده يبقى T capital R capital T capital R small T small R capital T small R small. اوكي؟ يبقى الجاميت ريشيو T capital R capital in P plant with the genotype T capital T small R capital R small is 25%. Which number four, dwarfism is caused by a deficiency in the secretion of the insulin hormone in the human body. Dwarfism is caused by a deficiency in the secretion of the growth hormone in the human body. Which letter B mentions the name of the hormone whose increased or decreased secretion causes the following conditions. Gigantism, number one. الهرمون هنا growth hormone cause increased secretion during childhood. Increased secretion during childhood cause gigantism. Number two, dwarfism hormone, growth hormone, cause decreased secretion during childhood. Question number three, simple goiter hormone, thyroxine hormone, cause decreased secretion due to the lack of iodine from food as it enters in the hormone's structure. Cause decreased secretion due to the lack of iodine from food as it enters in the hormone's structure. Exophthalmic goiter, number four, hormone, thyroxine hormone, cause increased secretion in large quantities. Cause increased secretion in large quantities. Letter C, compare between the products of decomposition of metal oxide and metal hydroxide. Decomposition of metal oxide. Some metal oxide decompose by heating into metal and oxygen gas evapors. General equation, metal oxide by heating produce metal plus oxygen gas. For example, 2HgO, mercury oxide, by heating produce 2Hg, mercury, plus O2, oxygen gas evapors. Decomposition of metal hydroxide, some metal hydroxide decompose by heating into metal oxide and water vapor evolves. General equation, metal hydroxides by heating produce metal oxide plus water vapor evolves. For example, CuOH by 2 copper hydroxide by heating produce CuO copper oxide color black plus H2O water vapor. Question number 3, letter A, choose the correct answer for each of the following. Number 1, the substance that changes the rate of a reaction without being changed is called the space. Oxidizer, reluctant, reactive, catalyst. Catalyst, okay? The substance that changes the rate of a reaction without being changed is called catalyst. Question number 2, nuclear reactions taking place in space cannot be controlled. Nuclear reactors, turbines, nuclear bombs, medical laboratories. Nuclear reactions taking place in nuclear bombs cannot be controlled. Question number 3, according to Mendel's second law, the recessive trait appears in the second generation at a rate of space 50%, 100%, 75%, 25%. According to Mendel's second law, the recessive trait appears in the second generation at a rate of 25%. Question number 4, the only way for hormones to reach their target cells is space, saliva, blood, water, duct. The only way for hormones to reach their target cells is blood. Letter B, give reasons for the following. Number 1, it is preferable to use fractionated nickel in the hydrogenation of oils. It is preferable to use fractionated nickel in the hydrogenation of oils because fractionated or finely divided nickel has a larger surface area exposed to the reaction, and the speed of chemical reactions increases by increasing the surface area exposed to reaction. Question number 2, exposure to radiation has cellular effects. Exposure to radiation has cellular effects because it results in changes the chemical composition and structure of cells, which lead to destroy the cells. For an instance, or for example, if the chemical composition of hemoglobin changes, it becomes incapable of carrying oxygen because it results in changes to the chemical composition and the structure of cells, which lead to destroy the cells. For instance, if the chemical composition of hemoglobin changes, it becomes incapable of carrying oxygen. Question number 3, a free air lobe dominates an attached air lobe because the gene of free air lobe, dominant gene, dominates the gene of attached air lobe, recessive gene, when they are both present together in an individual. Okay. Number 4, the pituitary gland is called the master gland. The pituitary gland is called the master gland because it secretes hormones that regulate the activities of most of other endocrine glands. Because it secretes hormones that regulate the activities of most of other endocrine glands. Letter C mentions the cause of diabetes mellitus and what are its main symptoms. The cause: decrease in the secretion of the insulin hormone, which leads to the cells are unable to use glucose. The main symptoms: feeling very thirsty and multiple urination times. Question 4, letter A, use symbols to express the product of across two red flowered bee plant or hybrids. Parent, R capital R small, R capital R small. Gametes, R capital R small, R capital R small. First generation, R capital R small, red, R capital R small, red, R capital R small, red, R small, white flower. Okay. Ratio 75% red, ratio 25% white, 3:1. Letter B, explain with symbolic equations the effect of heat on each of the following. Number 1, red mercury oxide. It decomposes by heating into mercury and oxygen gas evolves. 2HgO, red mercury oxide. By heating produce 2Hg mercury, silver color, plus O2 oxygen gas evolves. Number 2, sodium nitrate. It decomposes by heating into sodium nitrite and oxygen gas evolves. 2Na, sodium nitrate, its color white. By heating, produce 2Na, sodium nitrite, yellowish white, plus O2 oxygen gas evolves. Letter C, what is meant by each of the following? Number 1, positive catalytic reactions. They are chemical reactions in which the catalyst increases their speed. They are chemical reactions in which the catalyst increases their speed. Number 2, electromotive force, EMF. It is the potential difference between the two poles of an electric cell or battery when the electric circuit is open or no current passes through the circuit, and it is measured in volts. Test 2, page number 62, question number 1. Letter A, put true or false in front of the following statements. Number 1, oxidation and reduction reactions occur individually. False. Question number 2, a voltmeter is connected in series in electrical circuits. False. Gigantism is the continuous growth of the limbs during childhood. True. Number 4, genes control the appearance of an individual's hereditary traits. True. Letter B, page number 63, write the scientific term that represents the following phrases. Number 1, breaking the bonds between the molecules of the reactants and forming new bonds between the molecules of the products. Chemical reaction. Question number 2, the cells affected by the hormone are located far from the site of the gland that secretes it. Target cells. Number 3, the trait that appears in an individual when one carries two genes, one dominant and the other recessive. Dominant trait. Number 4, the forces necessary to bind the components of the nucleus together and overcome the repulsive forces between the positive protons. Nuclear binding forces. Letter C, compare between estrogen and testosterone in terms of number 1, secretory gland, number 2, importance. Estrogen, secretory gland, 2 ovaries gland. Testosterone, secretory gland, 2 testis glands. Estrogen, its importance. It's responsible for the appearance of the female secondary sex characters. Importance of testosterone. It is responsible for the appearance of the male secondary sex characters. Question number 2, letter A. Choose the correct answer from those between brackets. Number 1, the reducing agent is the substance that space during a chemical reaction. Gives oxygen, removes oxygen, removes hydrogen, gains electrons. The reducing agent is a substance that removes oxygen or take oxygen away during a chemical reaction. Question number 2, a volt is equivalent to joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb. Okay? Or ohm dot ampere. Okay? Question number 3, the chromosome is chemically composed of DNA and space, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, starches. The chromosome is chemically composed of DNA and proteins. Question number 4, the space hormone releases the energy of the body which needs from nutrients, growth, estrogen, thyroxine, testosterone. The thyroxine hormone releases the energy of the body which needs from nutrients. Letter B, correct the underlying word in the following statements. Question number 1, when 5 grams of a catalyst is used in a chemical reaction, its mass after the reaction completed is less than 5 grams. Its mass after the reaction completed is equal to 5 grams. Question number 2, a voltmeter is connected in series in electrical circuits. A voltmeter is connected in parallel in electrical circuits. Question number 3, Mendel removed the stamens in his experiments to prevent cross-pollination. Mendel removed the stamens in his experiments to prevent self-pollination. Question number 4, the insulin hormone stimulates the release of glucose from the liver. The glucagon hormone stimulates the release of glucose from the liver. Letter C, in the opposite figure, number 1, what is the name of the gland indicated by the arrow? What is the name of the gland indicated by the arrow? Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Number 2, mention the hormone that secreted by this gland and its importance. Mention the hormone that secreted by this gland and its importance. It secretes adrenaline hormone, okay? Secretes adrenaline hormone, and its importance, it stimulates body's organs to respond to emergencies like fear, anger, and emotion. Question number 3, letter A, what happens in the following cases? Writing the equation if possible. Number 1, heating red mercury oxide. It decomposes by heating into mercury and oxygen gas evolves 2HgO, red mercury oxide, by heating 2Hg, produce 2Hg, mercury, silver color, plus O2, oxygen gas evolves. Page number 64, number 2, heating copper sulfate. It decomposes by heating into copper oxide and sulfur trioxide evolves. CuSO4, copper sulfate, its color blue. By heating produce CuO, copper oxide, its color black, plus SO3, sulfur trioxide evolves. Number 3, heating silver nitrates. It decomposes by heating into silver nitrate and oxygen gas evolves. But by the continuous heating, silver nitrate decomposes into silver and nitrogen dioxide, okay? Which oxygen gas, which increases the glow of burning match. 2AgNO3 silver nitrate by heating produce 2AgNO2 silver nitrite plus O2. Number 4, the reaction of magnesium with copper sulfate. Magnesium substitutes copper in copper sulfate solution, forming magnesium sulfate, colorless, and copper precipitate, red precipitate. Magnesium طبعا precedes copper in chemical activity series CAS. Okay, magnesium Mg plus copper sulfate CuSO4, its color blue, produce MgSO4 magnesium sulfate colorless plus Cu red precipitate copper. Okay. Letter B, complete the following. Number 1, glucagon stimulates liver cells to convert stored space into glucose. Glucagon stimulates liver cells to convert stored glycogen, okay, into glucose. Which number 2, sweet potato contains the space enzyme, which increases the rate of breakdown of space. Sweet potato contains the oxidase enzyme, which increases the rate of breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. Which number 3, the sliding rheostat is used to control space by controlling space. The sliding rheostat is used to control the electric current intensity and the potential difference by controlling wire lengths. Okay. Number 4, the scientific idea of the dominance of curly hair over straight hair is the principle of complete dominance. The scientific idea of the dominance of curly hair over straight hair is the principle of complete dominance. Letter C, what means that? Number 1, the current flowing through a conductor in an electrical circuit in 10 seconds is 2 amperes. It means that the quantity of electric charge that passes through this electrical circuit in 1 second equal Q equal I electrical density times T time equal 2 times 10 equal 20 coulomb. Question number 2, the potential difference between two ends of conductor is 5 volts. The potential difference between the two ends of a conductor is 5 volts. It means that the value of the work done to transfer a quantity of charge 1 coulomb between the two ends of this conductor equal 5 joules. Question 4, letter A, explain based on genetic principles the result of matching a curly hair man, E capital, B small, with a woman with straight hair, B small, B small. Parent, B capital, B small, B small, B small. Gametes, B capital, B small, B small, B small. First generation, B capital B small curly hair, B capital B small curly hair, B small straight hair, B small straight hair. Ratio 50% curly hair, 50% straight hair. 1:1. Letter B, give one example of each of the following. Number one, a very fast chemical reaction. A very fast chemical reaction. Fireworks. Number two, a relatively slow chemical reaction. A relatively slow chemical reaction. The reaction of oil with caustic soda, NaOH, to form soap. Number three, a very slow chemical reaction. A very slow chemical reaction, rusting of iron. Number four, a very slow chemical reaction. A very slow chemical reaction, reaction of petroleum oil formation inside the earth. Letter C, if the amount of work done to move an electric charge of 480 coulomb between 2 points in a time of 2 minutes is equal to 960 joules, calculate the electric current intensity and the potential difference between the 2 points. The work done equal 960 joules. Electric charge Q equal 480 coulomb. Time 2 minutes equal 120 seconds. 2 times 60 equal 120 seconds. Okay. The electric current intensity I equal Q divided time 480 divided 120 equal 4 ampere. The potential difference V equal work done divided electric charge Q equal 960 divided 480 equal 2 volts. كده نكون وصلنا لنهاية حصة اليوم مع تمنياتي بالنجاح والتوفيق. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.